Jorah Trollinger, an imaginative 8-year-old second grader at David Harrison Elementary School, has been nurturing his musical talents with piano lessons from Miss Heather since pre-kindergarten. Beyond the structured lessons, Jorah loves to explore his creativity by improvising melodies and experimenting with his dad's sound looping station. With a wide range of interests, Jorah dreams of becoming a pianist and scientist. When he's not immersed in music, he enjoys strategic challenges like chess, imaginative play with Legos, reading, to outdoor fun, and with his neighborhood friends and conquering obstacle courses. Today, Jorah will share his musical talents by performing the French Christmas carol, Patapan, on the piano.